Grand Cherokee.
Grand Cherokee, yeah. Looks like they busted that lock right in half there.
Yeah, well, they broke the handle.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
That all works there. So.
Yeah. Looks brand new too.
Yeah, so, well, because it's a 23, I think.
Oh yeah.
So I should be able to reuse
I
stuff
can use
there.
some of these parts, yeah.
Yeah. There are 5 wafers, I think.
5, yeah.
Yeah, that should be good enough, eh?
It's up to you.
Yeah. Unless you've got them, but it's not a big
I
deal.
have, yeah, I have stuff like that.
Even if you just had 6, the odds of someone being able to open it with 6 is pretty slim.
Slim.
It sure looks funny to come up behind your van when I was
I
coming
know.
here, and you got that one window.
That's weird, eh?
Yeah.
Well, at least you'll be able to recognize it.
Yeah. But you should get that covered or something so nobody can see in. Because you can't see out there anyway in the mirror, right?
No,
No, you don't
I don't have a mirror.
Yeah, because then people can see in.
Yeah.
Guess I should do today. Go and get order a sticker for my van to cover up that 481 phone number.
Oh yeah.
Put I'm gonna put on window tinting.
Okay. Do you know if people actually phone that number at all, or?
Oh yeah. I've had people call me. They go, "Yeah, I was trying your other number and it's saying it's not in service."
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm gonna guess these are all the tip cuts. Maybe. So this is what, a 4? That's a 4.
Just looking where you put your ground there. It would have been shorter if you had to put it just over in the middle of that panel there.
Well, I was using it, the machine the other day, like that inverter,
Yeah.
and it just quit. It started
Oh.
squealing and it quit.
Oh, sometimes.
So I checked all my wires, and then I pulled that one, and it was just loose.
Oh.
So I brought it up. I just shoved it on there so I could use it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I know mine would squeal sometimes, and it was the battery was dead.
Yeah.
It wasn't getting power.
Right. Yeah. I knew I wasn't getting power, so.
foam on there. You know, bump your head on there going back and forth.
Yeah. One day.
One day you're gonna be rushing to get in the back or in the front.
To scrape my back. That's
Yeah.
what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Right on the spine. It's gonna crank me one. I know it will. So I got and the other guy. The only reason I put on a pool noodle up there was some of the people I had in my vehicle. They kept on banging their heads. This fits on this way. Like so. Yeah, so that guy with that L9 7000 just called me
Oh yeah.
this morning. They called me yesterday, and a different guy called today.
Oh.
I said, yeah, come on down and do it. I'm gonna head there.
Are those hard to
Oh.
do?
No, just impression it.
Oh, okay.
I need some 2 keys for Ford 13 Ford Escape. Lock, unlock, and panic.
To escape.
High security.
Oh, lock, unlock, panic. Yeah, that's the high security. 2?
Yeah.
And you want those Nissan keys or chips?
No, actually, he put power to it and it started up.
Oh, okay.
So I don't need keys for that. I wonder if this cap should fit on here. Like this. How can I do that? Let's press it on. With my hands. Am I strong enough to do that? Push. Nope. Come on. I don't want to break that thing. Ugh. Sliding out. That's why. So that should go. And so whenever I push down, I'm pushing down on that. It's not pushing it. I get it. All right. So I might need this. Push on this side. There we go. Just like that. That worked out, kind of. Now, what did I do with the key? I lost the key already. Look at that. Perfect. Dodge, I forget what he said, Durango maybe? I don't know. That's it for that one.